Almost 7 months ago, wildfires devastated Malibu, but progress? It's painfully slow. Only 104 new home permits have been issued so far. Meanwhile, a foreign investor quietly snapped up $65 million worth of iconic Malibu properties destroyed by the fires. Once rebuilt, these will become luxury beach houses for the ultra-wealthy. Everyday Californians are still waiting for recovery, while the wealthy cash in. How does that make you feel? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for real California commercial real estate insights.